So yeah, guys, I could put my hands and my feet up because I think I'm just gonna go ahead and order another one, and I'm also gonna get another freewheel. If you see, the dropout is damn near perfect, and even with the washers that they gave me, everything works wonderfully. So put that on there. Actually, that isn't on that side. That goes on this side, right? And this is my like my test bike because I have the real one outside. So all I have to do is swap the wheel. Everything has been calibrated and fitted. And then make sure that I grab the torque arm because torque arm is very important. What's going on? I don't want to force anything. So I messed up the treads last time. So just let that sit there. And this goes on here. The other one. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. I do want to put more washers, but I know that I could build it up, but I do not want to stretch the actual, there we go. See how simple that is? The dropout. So, boom, boom, boom. And we're ready to go. Ready to go. Sounding great. Sounding wonderful. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.